So that was it. 11 simple steps. Some harder, maybe, some easier, some longer, some shorter. But I hope that was easy to understand and that it was easy to follow. This is what we've done today. And if we compare to the one that I've done before, if I can hold them together, they are pretty similar, right? So from this simple pattern that I use for all my carvings now, you can have many variant. If I take this one, for example, it's exactly the same pattern. Difference is that he has a hoodie instead. And then I have this one here, same pattern, and then it's more like some sort of a monk. He's bald and he has some sort of a robe, cloak, instead of having normal pants. You can go wild, and then same thing here. Instead of having two swords, he has a shield and a different helmet and a little cloak instead. So you can go pretty wild. I have made many different ones, like this guy, more of a Rus style, with the pointy hat and a bigger shield. You know. So you can get pretty bold using the same pattern, just mix matching different things, adding a shield, adding a hoodie, removing the hair. So yeah, I hope you will get as bold as me, and then you will try different things. I've seen things on Instagram of people using the pattern from my former videos, and they've made different things, right? And I really like it. So if you carve anything out of this, I would really love to see what you've done. You can contact me on Instagram, on Twitter. I have the link below in the description. And from there, it's really up to you, right? Make it your own. And I hope that we will see each other in the next series, in the next video that I will put on YouTube on my channel. And thanks for staying with me along this carving journey. And yeah, we will see each other soon enough, I think. Have a good, amazing day wherever you are, and bye-bye.